Hello, World Wide Web. Thank you for joining me for our sixth episode on interpersonal neurobiology, brain integration, and depression. This week, we are looking at state integration, or the ability to move flexibly between different dimensions of our feelings, thoughts, and personality, aka states of mind. So, in the language of neurobiology, states of mind may be thought of as collections of neurons that have formed a neural network or a pattern of activation that's frequently triggered. We can think of these collection of networks as the various parts of our personality. So, for example, when we are in a meaningful connection with loved ones, a certain network, a certain neural network or group of neural networks activate. Similarly, if we're scared or fearful about something in our environment, another neural network is activated. Oftentimes, these different states of mind may conflict with one another. Our need for novelty and exploration may conflict with our need for stability and safety. The hallmark of state integration is the ability to recognize the different states of mind that we are in, the ability to recognize them, their needs, and to resolve and flexibly move between these states of mind. So rather than think about trying to eliminate negative states of mind, fear, anger, etc., we want to be able to recognize when we're in it and recognize that these networks have something important to tell us. And if we can do that, we're then able to move out of these states of mind. The key is being able to flexibly move between different states of mind. So if you have depression, for those of us with depression, we might be over-identified and rigid around certain states of mind. Fear or regret, for example. So if a neural network around fear is consistently triggered, we will perceive the world as a dangerous place that is not worth the risk of exploring. In psychotherapy, we work on state integration and rigidity around state integration by first becoming aware of our different states of mind and understanding what in our environment, in our relationships, and internally is triggering the activation of these certain neural networks. So by bringing attention and naming our states of mind, we're able to choose what to do about them. Whether we actually choose to do anything about them or ignore them is also another option. Oftentimes, simply labeling and making space for our states of mind is all we need to do, rather than some sort of actionable list of steps or an agenda. So that's going to do it for this week. I hope you've enjoyed it, and stay tuned for next week's episode.